Ate Liu.
Atelin.
Atelin?
Atelin.
Atelin, okay. Puro Atelin. Elhami? Elhami, thank you so much. Salamat po.
And then,
Wait a minute. And?
what?
Wait a minute.
From Elise.
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, yes, my
Oh.
she picked my name.
Very good.
Okay. One more. Check here.
No, yeah.
Maybe from Joy.
Where is this? Jessica and Ilhami. From?
From Lang family.
One
Joy,
family.
Joy.
Oh.
Next time we will say Oz family. So now,
Yeah.
so now let's unboxing. We're gonna have unboxing first. Where's your gift? Oh, this is your gift.
That one? That one's mine?
Yeah, you'll have me from Atelin. Okay.
Okay.
Let's open it.
And the other one with you. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, go. This one is not. It's from us. Check that one. What you have? What did you get?
Wait.
What's like this?
Why is this bag is like this?
I don't know.
I don't understand the back style.
Oh, I know they tried to lock in here.
Oh.
So just grab it there then. Go.
Oh. Makes sense. I didn't see that
You
one.
don't have to open. Just grab it there. Just get this one.
Okay.
For the locking case.
Do you want to use that bag?
Yeah.
Of
Maybe.
course, yes.
No. What do you think is this?
Oh. Oh my god, thank you so much.
What do you have? What do you have, babe?
Colombia?
Jacket? Oh! Because your wish list is jacket.
I didn't wish. You wish for me.
Hello, babe. Is it same with your jacket?
Yeah.
It's different color?
That's good.
Whoa! Nice. Nice. At least new color of your jacket.
Yeah.
Because it's your favorite, right? Waterproof?
Yeah. Why not? I'm also having right now.
Can I see? How much? It's okay. It's okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, of course.
you're so annoying with your outfit though.
I'm good to go. Let's go to the list.
So now it is my gift from Elise. My wish list was bed sheet. I think it's a bed sheet. Oh wow.
Come on, sir.
Queen home mason. Queen sheet set. Whoa, perfect.
So good.
Thank you everyone. Let's open it. Set 1 set, flat sheet, fitted sheet, 2 standard pillowcase. Oh, perfect. Flat sheet, but it has flat sheet.
Yeah.
You can use flat sheet as well.
Yeah.
Are you using the blanket, remember?
Oh yeah. So good.
So we have a new set.
Yeah, which version?
Huh? Nice. Thank you so much.
So good.
Good.
Yeah.
This one. And then this one. I think it's a bed sheet.
I'm not understanding those, but yeah, bed sheet is bed sheet. Oh,
Yeah, bed sheet. This is bed sheet. Fitted bed sheet is the one with this. And then the top sheet. Because white people are using top sheet before then blanket. And then this is the top sheet. To cover the fitted sheet. And then you can also use this as a blanket actually.
Yeah, in the
summer
summer
times.
times. Yeah, why not? Makes sense.
Yeah, wish list perfect.
Nice.
Nice, right? Okay.
Let me do. I wanna play computer.
Then we have to unbox the other gift. So you check this one.
Of course. And you're complaining your mother.
About what?
I'm eating you.
What is this? Oi! Whoa! You got perfume, babe.
Shave gel and green perfume.
Oh. The shade gel for
Thank
you.
you so much.
Oh, one for you.
Oh.
One for you. Jessica and Joanne.
Like they want me to they want to see without beard.
No, because
And also Melody.
because
Yeah, but thank you so much. All time when I use it.
The other
Not,
one,
not frequently.
the other one, babe. Can you please open?
What was that one?
We brought the gift for Abella, see? From Joy.
Oh, yeah.
I don't understand this way. Oh, I think you can put there to make it open.
Yeah. I like that kind of
Style?
control. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Whoa, babe, look.
Oh, is that one for Jessica? Nice.
Oh, it's medium, huh? And this one for you.
Oh.
Oh, look at your size.
Oh.
Hala, it matches in this one.
Everything
Wow,
is
so
matching.
beautiful for
My
you,
hoodie
babe.
and
Ay, wow.
my
Ay,
sweater
wow,
matching.
babe.
My jacket and also the what?
Oh, no, no, that one. This is really wow. I like it. I love it. Can you check yours?
Of course.
Open it then. Babe, it matches in your
No,
jacket.
I told them.
So nice. I love it too. I love
Time
mine.
lapse? You gonna do time lapse?
Yeah, I will make it faster.
Oh. Oh my god.
Whoa.
I'm not in the camera. That's why I'm confused.
That's very confidential.
But I like that one. So good looking.
This
So
one.
that
This
one
one,
too.
please try.
We can take out the stickers.
In this
I'm
one?
gonna use it.
In this one?
Of course, both of them.
That's the color.
Mm.
I can tell the new color.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Can I see? Tell me about it.
No, it's your camera.
No, you're so
Your
one.
audience.
Nice. Exactly 10.
Oh, it's finishing.
Yeah, finish
Oh.
it. Bye.